Welcome to another mega exciting 5-minute auto pairing. Smith-Morra gambit, JohnDTerminator. Let's play avoid that F4 stuff. I was playing for fun sometimes. It's a bit weakening. I don't want to be terminated too quickly. Hasta la vista, baby. I don't know if it even goes like that, actually. I'm not convinced. Okay. Rook C1 for knight D5. Rook C1 for E5. Just E5, that's an idea. What's wrong with E5 here? Does it actually do anything? It might do. It looks as though it's wrong that he's allowed E5. I'm sure they play knight E5 usually. Try and stop that. Something wrong about this. Can't quite put my finger on it. Is it a rook left? It's given me some possibilities which surely are interesting. Bishop takes a knight D5. That's possible. Knight D5. King's still in the center. Queen B2. Okay. This position. Really? Is that holding? It's holding, is it? Does it hold with bishop B5 check after? I suppose his king just moves. Okay, let's not spend too long here. Okay, let's just do any move. Quick knight here. Queen H5. Try for an attack later. Knight G4, rook left. That sort of thing. I don't want to spend too much time trying to find something which doesn't exist, maybe. Knight G4. Well, some pressure on his queen side anyway. If I double, there's knight D5 immediately here. Threatens. It looks a bit solid at the moment. Yeah. Okay, he's winning all my pawns. Bishop D7 I'll take on B7 though. I just want to soften this pawn chain up. So he's 2 pawns up. Yes, I've been a bit reckless. Did start with 1 pawn up. Okay. Knight D5 or Queen F4. It's on that rook. Does he play E5? Does weaken a bit his D5 square and stuff. Is knight D5 any good here? Knight F6. Wouldn't have thought so, particularly. But, okay, no. Right, he's improving his position. I'm just letting him improve his position. It's not good. Right, the knight's holding g2, but he's so rock solid. Not good. I think I'm getting killed. He's got beautiful position. Can't do anything. I can threaten bishop a6, he can span over rook d2. And he's got bishop d4 after. He's also got rook e2 for almost rook d1. No, the knight's holding d1. Oh, this is getting ridiculously bad. There's bishop d4. Oh, it's just losing another pawn. This really has promise earlier. It's all fallen to bits. I thought it had some promise anyway, that e5. Maybe note to myself, don't play e5 in a hurry. Take the d file, is that something? Try and win on time. 3 pawns down here. Trying to evict this rook. Oh, you gotta be kidding. It's not giving me any chance. Any counterplay. So rook ending 3 pawns down, great. That's just what I needed.
Check. Check.
F5. Last sort of tricks. I don't know. Just takes, I suppose.
Check.
Yeah. Okay. That was pretty bad. I don't know, did the engine think anything of e5 just for future reference? I didn't think of any, really, it was just equal. And I didn't think much of this either. Oh, hang on. Queen e3. Oh, right. If he castled. Oh, man. Queen e3. Did I just miss Queen e3? Oh, that is bad news. Queen e3 was making it useful. My pieces was, I don't know, wasn't doing anything because I didn't feel like they wanted to be on the board without the pawns. I don't blame them. Terrible. Terrible, terrible, terrible. Okay, comments, questions, likes. Appreciate it. Actually, just one moment. Let's go to the e5 point. If I didn't play e5, pick committal, I could just carry on and wait for him to play knight e5. Yeah, it doesn't seem right. yeah, I mean, maybe this is the way to play it in a way, because there's f4 later, mind you. It doesn't seem right, does it? Doesn't seem as though I'm getting anything. Okay, anyway, all right, thanks so much.